Good evening, everyone. So tonight I'm making some nice shrimp oreganata. What you're seeing here in the pan, we've got a nice mixture of a few packs of butter, sweet butter. I like to use brake stoves, along with a few chopped up garlic cloves, along with a few tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And these shrimp have been sauteing for the past few minutes. I'm going to be turning them over shortly. And when I turn them over, they're going to finish cooking. You know that they're done when they're really a nice pink color. That's when we know that we're done.
Wait, so guys, if you didn't know, I'm Aiden from Aiden Power Let's Go. And guys, I just wanted to say, my mom, yes, Anna Marie is my mom. She makes the best shrimp. I think even Alexandra from Alexandra Reed Vlogs thinks that too. Anyways, we're gonna cut the scene here and I'm gonna show her how to edit the video because she doesn't know how to edit. End the scene. Right now, my mom is putting the shrimp over. As you can see, it's a nice red, pinkish color. Beautiful.
Yeah, they're cooking away here. What we want to do is turn them over without burning ourselves, of course.
Yeah, you don't want to.
Nice and carefully. I've done that before with fish, and turning them over with the hot olive oil.
Even I'm standing back, like back. It doesn't show it on the camera. Maybe it does, but I'm also like setting like a good range between the.
Now it's kind of Sunday evening.
Yeah.
So I kind of wanted to get this done. If you want to actually make the pan a little bit less crowded, you can always do that, and they'll cook a little bit. It'll just be a little bit easier to turn them over because there'll be more space for you to move them over. But
These look really good.
Yeah, they're going to be done soon.
They're really done soon.
What you don't want to do is overcook them.
Yes, no.
That's really the key.
That's really bad to do.
So right now, they're just getting nice and pink on both sides. It's a nice medium heat. I've got it at 4.
At 4. If your oven's like ours or stove, make sure it's at 4. So nice even. And right now,
nice medium flame.
I think right now it's a good time to say that to subscribe to Anna Remule for amazing regular content because she makes good content. I think she deserves more subs, in my opinion. You should subscribe to her channel. She just hit 11 subs, right? 11?
Yeah, tomorrow I'm going to be uploading an educational video.
She makes all types of videos.
I've also got some videos of places I've been in the city. I also have some videos of the kids, as you can imagine. These shrimp are just large wild-caught shrimp that were already cleaned.
Yeah, make sure to buy the
peeled. It just saves so much time.
Yeah,
if
it really
you have
does.
to peel them yourself, it's not that big a deal. You peel them and then you take a little fork and you take the vein out, that little black line right on the side, right on the back of the shrimp, so that they're nice and clean. But that's really now for the finishing touches. What I'm going to do next, you can see they're a nice pink color. They're almost done.
Yeah, they're definitely almost done. We're going to lower the flame now.
The flame a little bit.
To like a 3.
And what I'm going to do is throw some breadcrumbs on these.
Yeah.
So I've got, you can use any breadcrumbs you like.
We like to use this brand just because we knew them for a while.
These are 4C breadcrumbs seasoned. But I've also used Rienzi, I've used Progresso.
Oh, look at
I've
that.
used the ones that aren't seasoned.
Be careful, be careful.
And seasoned it up on my own.
That looks
With
good.
a little oregano, a little salt, a little pepper.
That looks so
a little
good.
garlic powder, a little parsley.
Make sure you get the sides.
So right now we're going to do that.
Pretty good,
And I'm going
guys.
to put a little bit more. I'm going to cut up a lemon here.
Cut a lemon. Bo's back there, smelling the food from miles and miles away.
Mommy, can you tell me my rice?
Yeah, we're going to do the rice now too, honey.
Where is it?
Bo wants to know about
Putting
the
some
rice.
nice lemon.
Put some nice lemon down. Get that sweet, soury, nice celery. Take the taste. This looks super, super good. Wow, that looks really good, Mommy.
Now what I'm going to do is I got a little bit of, thought I had gotten most of the little seeds out. I see one here.
Where's the
Yeah, make sure you get all those seeds out from the lemon if you squeeze it hard. Here's Bo. Say hi.
Hi.
Not a big deal. I got most of them out.
I suggest you cut the lemon just like this, like really, really tough if you can, because the more lemon juice or whatever, like the lemon juice inside on it is
little
going
bit
to
more.
taste the best. Put more breadcrumbs to make sure that it is delish.
I'm throwing a little olive oil right on top.
Daddy, guess what?
Wow, that looks really, really good. Wow. That's really cool. That's really, really cool. Ah, I can smell it. It's really, really good.
I'm going to toast these up, those breadcrumbs up. Do a little quick mix.
Wow.
These get,
Fresh shrimp.
these breadcrumbs get a little toasty. Put the flame up a little bit.
Put the flame up a tiny bit from a 4 to 5. Or like in between. That's a good.
Get these breadcrumbs nice and toasty.
If you couldn't tell, most of the liquid that is in the shrimp should be gone. As
Should we add a little bit more breadcrumbs?
No, I think it's good.
Those are good?
Those are good. Those look good. They're good breadcrumbs. Of course, it is your call if you want to add as many breadcrumbs as you want, but we like to put as like this, not too much, but not too less. Get the pan. So, I think it's going to be the end of this portion of the video, so
Just going to put a little more.
put as much as you want. So guys, see you on
The
the
nice thing about
next
the lemon
part.
juice
Yeah, tell us what the lemon juice before.
just really amps the taste of the shrimp
Yeah,
up.
it does. It really does.
And I'm just going to serve this with a little yellow rice with vegetables. You can use any kind of rice that you want. You want to make a risotto. You want to make
Yeah, you can-
spaghetti.
Spaghetti,
And
yes, spaghetti Italian
and just
dishes,
Italian spaghetti with a little garlic and oil, and throw those on top with a little lemon.
or like fish
do that
food,
too.
or like seafood, like calamari, or anything you want really. Goes with shrimp. Not Chinese food though, not Chinese food. But a lot of things, nice things go with shrimp. So we're gonna see you guys on the next portion of the video. Mommy?
So don't forget to subscribe at Anna Maria Muley on YouTube or Aiden Power Let's Go, and then you can find me and subscribe to me as well. Lots of great content,
Yeah, guys.
including recipes, places to hang out with around New York and Long Island with young children. This is the Christmas season coming up. Videos about education and some of my work in education. So lots of great stuff.
Also, guys, make sure to like the video. It makes the video do better on trending. And me and my mom, or just my mom, will see you guys on the next cool video that she has. And bye, guys.